Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to speed up audio right inside Canva, whether you're working on a presentation, a social media clip, or just making your content a bit more dynamic, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through a clear step-by-step process to quickly speed up audio in Canva, even though Canva doesn't currently have a one-click audio speed option. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to speed up your project's audio, making your workflow smoother and your content even better. Let's jump straight in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to Canva. You can do this on your computer by typing canva.com into your browser. Go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. Having that ready will make the process seamless. Canva's homepage can feel a little overwhelming, especially with all of the design templates and suggestions, but don't worry, we'll stick to exactly what we need. Once you're in, look for the big Create a Design button, usually near the top right. Give that a click. From all the options, select Video. Now you might be thinking, but I just want to speed up audio. Here's the trick. In Canva, the best way to speed up audio is by attaching it to a video and then adjusting the speed of the video itself. So go ahead and select the video option, which opens up a blank video project for you. Next, let's bring in the content. Click on the Uploads panel on the left and drag in both your video file and the audio track you want to use. If you're just working with an audio file, you'll need to pair it with some kind of video, even if it's just a simple background or a blank color, because Canva requires video in order to adjust speed. It can be as simple as uploading a still image and dragging it to fill the canvas as your video. Don't stress if this seems a tad roundabout, it's just how Canva operates right now. After you've added your video and audio, make sure the audio lines up with the video. Canva lets you drag to adjust where audio begins, just in case your music or voiceover needs to be in sync with the visuals. This is the backbone of the speed up trick. By attaching audio to video, we get access to the video speed settings. Once everything's lined up, click Share up in the corner and choose the Download option. For the file type, select MP4 video. This step will export your new combined creation to your computer. It might take a few moments for Canva to process the download, so don't worry if you see a loading bar, that's completely normal. Now almost done, the secret sauce comes in this next step. Go back to Canva and create a brand new page or design just like we did at the start. Upload the MP4 file you just saved, drag it into your new project. Here, where the magic happens, click on your video on the timeline or canvas and you'll see an option to adjust the speed, usually a little speedometer or slider. Increase the playback speed to your liking, maybe 1.5x or 2x, depending on how fast you want it. This speeds up both the video and the attached audio simultaneously, giving you exactly the effect you're after. And that's it, you've successfully sped up your audio using Canva's video tools. This is a little workaround, but it gets the job done beautifully. Don't worry if it takes a couple of tries to sync everything just right. After the first time, it becomes a really handy trick to have up your sleeve. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions about Canva or want to see tutorials for other features, drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical how-tos just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.